Hi, my name's John Visey. I'm a director here at JD Legal Solicitors. We're a personal injury firm located in the western suburbs of South Australia in Adelaide. We're not a huge practice and we needed something which was cost effective but will allow us to be able to see clients that have some disabilities, take them upstairs into the offices of the solicitors. So we went for Elite. Having an elevator has been fantastic, even for us when we're going up and down. I might go up and down like 30 times in a day. So by about the 15th time, we'll start getting a little tired and I'll end up using the elevator myself. But it's also been really good for moving stuff upstairs when we've got like heavier items. I know when we were installing the fridge in the kitchen upstairs, using the lift was seconds and it was done. So it was very helpful for that. And it gives the whole practice a much more professional feel as well. We looked at a few other providers. For us, at the end of the day, it was always a toss-up between quality and cost, and I think that Elite hit the mark in the middle. We got a really high-quality product, but also at a very competitive price. Elite were quite flexible and they worked with the builder, and the guys were quite good. They came down and provided us support during the process of the build. The installation crew were fantastic, very friendly, very flexible, so we're really happy with them. Inside the lift is quite roomy. We want one that's big enough for people with wheelchair to be able to get into it and get out of it autonomously. It's very quiet, it's very soft when it goes up and down. For any business looking to install an elevator, I'd recommend Elite. Elite have been very good to deal with. They've been very professional and prompt with their responses, and I'd certainly work with them again.